Great British Pound, positive 3. Again, we're seeing a little bit of weakness in the Great British Pound due to the basically concerns of the Brazilian variant. But the Japanese yen is continuously weak. So it's a positive 3 against a minus 8.2. Still good separation. But if you was to ask me whether to place a trade the Great British Pound against the yen or the CAD against the yen, I'd choose the CAD against the yen because the CAD is a positive 6.2 and the Great British Pound is a positive 3. So I'm seeing monthly upper, monthly lower, weekly upper, weekly lower zone. I'm seeing buy pressure, double confirmation off our monthly lower zone. Fundamentals are to the upside. I'm seeing a push, exhaustion at our daily mid, which will be there, and then exhaustion, and then bullish engulfing candle off our weekly continuational move. It looks as though we are breaking our weekly upper now. Let's make this. Oops. Let's make this. There we go. Oh, get rid of that one. There we go. That's what I want to do. Looks as though we're breaking our weekly upper now. So possible re-entry. Daily time frame. Yeah, so we're seeing contact with our weekly. Little bit of battle. Now it's created a push and we now have minor consolidation. Again, fueling for its move to the upside. Let's take it to not daily 4H. So 4H, we entered here. We saw a push, exhaustion, bullish engulfing candle. So if you're not in, you can possibly get in. Our stop loss is just below our weekly zone. If you don't have the history of these signals, SI was here. 147,570 wouldn't be a bad place to put your SL. 2.9 to 1. But let's see if we can get a better entry. For those of you who aren't in. Yeah, we're having a bit of battle here. We entered here. So again, if you did enter now, you would get a much better, well, a little bit of a better price than what we got it at. So we're seeing a little bit of battle here. That's probably because the Great British Pound has seen a little bit of weakness. So last week it was like a positive 5, positive 6. Now it's a positive 3. We're seeing a little bit of weakness, a little bit of indecision in the pound. So again, if I was to place another position, I'm still going to keep this position, but the CAD Japanese yen is a much better setup because it's at an area of support. This isn't, it's kind of mid-range. So if it was here now and this was happening now, I would say, okay, those of you who aren't in, place an entry, but it's in the middle. It's kind of in no man's land between our upper area and lower area of consolidation. So it's kind of nowhere, even though we are getting a bullish engulfing candle now, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, if you want to enter, we entered here. So if you did enter like at the break of here, it's not a bad trade. Again, it's a long-term trade, but I would wait for, I don't think that we are going to get exhaustion to our lower zone. I think it might just break above minor exhaustion and then a continuational move. So I would enter now. I would save your money. Again, those of you who are in, just keep it. But as for a new entry, I'd possibly go for the CAD yen over this one. Fundamentals are just better on that one.